Hey everyone, welcome back. If your YouTube views suddenly dropped overnight, don't panic. This happens to a lot of creators, and in this video, I'll explain why it happens and what to do step by step in 2026. Step 1, check for YouTube algorithm updates. Sometimes YouTube adjusts its recommendation system. This can temporarily reduce views on certain videos or even entire channels. If your drop coincides with an update, it's usually not your content. It's the system adjusting. Step 2, look at traffic sources. Go to YouTube Studio to Analytics to Reach. Check if views from search, suggested, or shorts have changed. A drop in suggested traffic often explains sudden decreases in overall views. Step 3, analyze audience retention. Videos with lower watch time or early drop-offs get less promotion. Check if viewers are leaving early. Even small changes in engagement affect view distribution. Step 4, review metadata and thumbnails. Outdated titles, tags, or thumbnails can reduce clicks. Refreshing your video title, thumbnail, or description can help regain traffic. Step 5, check for seasonal or external factors. Holidays, major events, or competing viral content can temporarily affect views. Sometimes the drop isn't permanent, just part of natural fluctuations. Step 6, avoid panic edits. Sudden mass changes to old videos can hurt performance further. Focus on improving new uploads and keeping consistent uploads. Step 7, monitor over time. YouTube often stabilizes views after algorithm adjustments. Track analytics daily, but don't make decisions after just one day of drops. So if your YouTube views dropped suddenly, it's usually algorithm changes, traffic shifts, or seasonal factors, not a channel penalty. Follow these steps, adjust carefully, and views should recover over time. And that's why YouTube views can drop suddenly, explained step by step for 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and I'll see you in the next one.